Best tennis rackets. Looking for the best tennis racket to improve your game without wasting money on the wrong one? In this video, we're counting down 5 of the best tennis rackets worth considering, with options for beginners, recreational players, and more experienced players. We'll look at important factors like power, control, comfort, weight, maneuverability, and overall playability to help you figure out which one fits your style. So whether you're just getting started or looking to upgrade your current racket, let's get straight into our top 5 picks. Number 5. Head TS6 Tennis Racket. Weight, 8.6 ounces. The Head TS6 is a lightweight tennis racket built for players who want easier power, a forgiving hitting area, and something that feels comfortable through longer practice sessions. One of the biggest advantages here is the oversized 115 square inch head. That larger sweet spot gives you more room for error, so slightly off-center shots have a better chance of staying playable. It can be especially useful for recreational players or intermediates who are still working on consistent contact. The racket weighs just 8.6 ounces strung, which keeps it easy to swing and quick to move around the court. Head uses a graphite and titanium frame construction, giving the racket a lightweight feel while still providing useful stability during normal play. It also measures about 27.7 inches long, giving you a little extra reach and leverage on serves and ground strokes. The open 16x19 string pattern can also make it easier to work topspin or slice into your shots. This version comes pre-strung with synthetic gut 16-gauge string and includes Head's soft-tack grip, so there isn't much setup required before heading to the court. The oversized head and power-focused design may not be ideal for experienced players who prefer a smaller, more control-oriented frame. But if you want a light, forgiving racket that makes generating depth and power easier, the TS6 looks like a solid option. Pros. Large 115 square inch sweet spot offers plenty of forgiveness. Lightweight 8.6 ounce design is easy to maneuver. Extended length and 16x19 pattern support power and spin. Cons. Oversized head may feel less control focused for advanced players. Extended 27.7 inch length may take some adjustment. Head heavy balance may not suit players who prefer a more neutral feel. Number 4. Wilson Tour Slam Tennis Racket. Weight, 16 ounces. The Wilson Tour Slam is a straightforward recreational tennis racket designed for beginners who want something easy to pick up and start using without getting too technical. Its aluminum frame keeps the construction simple, while Wilson's volcanic frame technology is designed to add extra stability and power during everyday play. That can be helpful if you're still developing your swing and want a racket that gives you a little assistance getting the ball deeper into the court. Wilson also uses what it calls power strings, which are intended to help generate more power without forcing you to swing aggressively every time. Another useful feature is the stop shock pads. These are designed to reduce some of the vibration you feel when the ball makes contact with the strings, which can make the racket feel more comfortable and controlled during longer sessions. The racket measures 27 inches long and comes with a 4 3/8 inch grip. It also has a 3-point headlight strung balance, giving the handle side a little more emphasis when moving the racket. At a listed weight of 16 ounces, this is not an especially light option, so players looking for maximum maneuverability may want to keep that in mind. Overall, the Tour Slam makes the most sense for beginners and casual players who want a pre-strung recreational racket with added power and vibration control. Pros. Volcanic frame technology supports power and stability. Stop shock pads help reduce racket vibration. Comes pre-strung and ready for recreational play. Cons. Listed 16-ounce weight may feel heavy for some players. Beginner-focused design may not satisfy advanced players. Aluminum construction is less performance-oriented than premium graphite frames. Number 3. Wilson Pro Staff 97 ULV14. The Wilson Pro Staff 97 ULV14 is a performance-focused tennis racket that brings the classic Pro Staff feel into a lighter and more manageable package for intermediate players. At 9.49 ounces, this version is easier to maneuver than heavier performance frames, which can be useful when you need quicker preparation on ground strokes or faster reactions around the net. The graphite construction is paired with Wilson's Braid 45 technology, where the double-braided fibers are positioned at 45-degree angles to improve stability and create a more connected feel when the ball sits on the strings. Wilson also uses a denser string mapping here. Instead of focusing purely on easy power, the string bed is designed to give you more precision and feedback, which should appeal to players who like placing their shots rather than simply hitting through the court. Another interesting feature is paradigm bending. This carbon fiber construction adjusts how the hoop and shaft flex, aiming to provide a more flexible response while still supporting the power required for modern swings. This racket comes already strung with Wilson Sensation 16 Natural at mid-range tension, and this version uses a 4 1/8 inch grip. Overall, the Pro Staff 97 ULV14 is a strong option for intermediate players who want Pro Staff style control and feel without stepping into one of the heavier frames in the lineup. Pros: lightweight 9.49-ounce design improves maneuverability. Braid 45 construction supports stability and ball feel. Dense string mapping is designed for better precision. Cons: control-focused setup may offer less effortless power for some players. 4 1/8 inch grip may not suit every hand size. Intermediate-oriented performance may be demanding for complete beginners. Number 2. Head Geo Speed Tennis Racket. Color: black/white. Weight: 10.4 ounces. The Head Geo Speed is a beginner-friendly tennis racket made for adults who want something comfortable, manageable, and ready to use right out of the box. At 10.4 ounces, the racket stays reasonably light in the hand, which can make it easier to develop a smooth swing without feeling overly demanding during longer practice sessions. It also uses a headlight balance, helping the racket feel more maneuverable when you're reacting quickly at the net or working on better control from the baseline. The 105 square inch head gives you a fairly generous hitting area, which is useful when your contact isn't perfect every time. Head also includes its Geo Power technology, using the shaft geometry to help support a combination of power and control. At 27.5 inches long, the Geo Speed gives you slightly more reach than a standard 27-inch racket while still keeping the overall setup approachable for recreational play. This version comes with a 4 3/8 inch grip and arrives factory strung with synthetic gut strings, so there's no extra setup required before your first session. The frame is listed as titanium with a graphite shaft, keeping the design focused on accessible recreational performance rather than advanced tournament-level precision. Overall, the Geo Speed looks like a practical choice for beginners who want an easy-to-handle racket with a forgiving head size, useful control, and a ready-to-play setup. Pros: headlight balance improves maneuverability and control. 105 square inch head provides a forgiving hitting area. Comes pre-strung and ready for the court. Cons: beginner-focused design may feel limited for advanced players. 4 3/8 inch grip may not fit every player. Recreational construction offers less precision than higher-end performance frames. Number 1. Wilson Tour Slam Tennis Racket. Color: pink/gray. Weight: 16 ounces. If you're looking for a recreational tennis racket that puts easy power and forgiveness ahead of complicated performance features, the Wilson Tour Slam is worth a look. This pink and gray version comes with a 4 1/4 inch grip and arrives pre-strung, so you can take it to the court without having to arrange stringing first. Wilson uses its Airlight alloy aluminum construction, designed to combine durability with an easier-to-handle frame for casual play. One feature beginners and recreational players may appreciate is V-Matrix technology. It creates a larger sweet spot, giving you more forgiveness when you don't catch the ball perfectly in the center. Wilson also uses longer power strings to help generate additional power, which can be useful when you're still developing your own swing speed. For comfort, the Tour Slam includes stop shock pads that are designed to reduce vibration at impact and improve the overall feel. Volcanic frame technology also adds stability while supporting the racket's power-focused setup. The listed weight is 16 ounces, so players who prefer an especially light and fast-feeling racket should keep that specification in mind. Overall, the Tour Slam is a practical choice for casual or developing players who want a pre-strung racket with a forgiving sweet spot, accessible power, and vibration-reducing features. Pros: V-Matrix technology provides a larger, more forgiving sweet spot. Stop shock pads help reduce vibration during contact. Pre-strung design makes it ready for recreational play. Cons: listed 16-ounce weight may feel heavy to some players. Power-focused design may offer less precision for advanced players. 4 1/4 inch grip will not be the right size for everyone.